All right, we're gonna do my little version of Jack in the Box. When we first start, this is really about pivoting on the heel of our feet, okay? What we don't want to stand straight up here, right? We start out with your legs about shoulder width apart. Shoulder width, heels about shoulder width. Same thing, shoulder width, shoulder width. And our toes are pointing straight forward. So we're not standing like this. If we stand like this, we're kind of screwed unless you're really, really flexible. So you're gonna be here like this, okay? And we're gonna be down here, okay? Feel, when you first start, feel what it's like to have weight on the ball of your feet versus the weight on the heel of your feet. You wanna make sure that pressure's back, okay? So, we got right, left, okay? So it's 1 and 2 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and. Now notice when I first do it, watch me, and then you guys continue to do what you're doing, okay? 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and. What I did is I don't want you guys to do what I just did. What did I do? I kept my body here. I just forced this. I want you to put pressure on it. So what they did is really, really good. They put pressure and then come back. Pressure and come back. So when you put pressure, you kind of push off the ball of your feet and you can come back. Push and then come back. Push and come back. Versus, it's a little bit harder to do this. This looks better. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and. Notice this little bounce, right? Boom, boom. And then the 3, 4, I'm going to bounce to the center, both legs. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and good. All we're doing with the arms right now is just gonna snap, go to the right, go to the left, and then just push down, like settle down, LeBron. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So far okay, right? And you guys probably know the difficulty of today's class is keeping track of which side to go, okay? So we just did the right, left, double. Now left, right, double, okay? So we're gonna do right first, into the left. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, double, left, right, double. Yeah, it's really easy to get confused, isn't it? Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. The next thing we did was kind of we mixed up what we did on the first day of class, right? Which is our little hip-hop bounce. We're gonna add a little bounce, pivot, bounce, pivot, bounce, bounce, pivot, pivot, okay? So starting from the bounce, pivot, 5, 6, 7, 8, bounce, pivot, bounce, pivot, bounce, bounce, pivot, pivot. Again, just keeping track, making sure your mind is where you are in the routine, okay? Let's go from the top to the bounce, pivot, bounce, pivot. 5, 6, 7, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, bounce, pivot, boom, boom, bounce, bounce, pivot, pivot. We good, right? Now we made it even harder, didn't we? Now we went to left. So everything we finished right. Now we gotta start with the left side, okay? So let's see if we can keep track. Okay. Starting from the top. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, double, left, right, bounce, pivot, bounce, pivot, bounce, pivot, bounce, bounce. Left side, left, right, right, left, bounce, pivot, bounce, pivot, bounce, bounce. Nice job. Practice.